put the meat on the onions when the onion is ready, not before. The onion is ready when it's translucent and when you start to caramelize a little. Here you can just see this is white, so it's not translucent and it's not brown, so it's not ready. So I don't put the meat here now. Because the idea with the meat is only change the color. In the middle the meat is rare. We finish to cook the meat in the oven when the empanadas is ready. When you put more the meat in the filling, then when you taste empanadas, the meat is right. And it's not the idea. Now the dough.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't know if I should take notes or film it.
Both.
Are you filming?
Sí.
Okay. Are you going to share the film?
Yes.
Okay.
How much?
I'll take notes.
Bien, ahora. Sorry. Here I have plain flour. In the middle, I make a hole.
But I don't know if I have like right light.
That's what he was.
That was it.
Let me see.
And bifate again.
That's again.
These are light
Obviously.
empanadas.
Of course.
You didn't go. It's just I think sometimes the light like doesn't let me.
If you cook
Go around.
with your eyes, you put flour. Depends on the bowls, you can put more, less, meat, depends. You make a hole. Always the middle is fat.
Okay.
The rest of the ingredients, salt and water. Salt
Can do that.
and water. And here I have cold water.
Veronica, I don't know why you can't do this.
Simple as it is.
This is ready.
Yeah, right.
When the ingredients are all together, the dough is ready.
So you just started stirring it up.
Exactly.
With a-
Now I am using my hand.
With a spoon first and then your hand.
Exactly.
Everything matters.
The simplest thing.
It is not simple.
Mixing,
It is
mixing
not
with
the-
what? A spoon? Oh my god, write that down. A spoon.
Shut up.
Look at here. This is too dry.
I want to see you doing it.
I need to put more water. But never is more fat. The fat is only when you start. But the water, I put in my hand. Not here, it's for make a control. For take a control.
That's everything counts. It's yeah.
For example,
I mean,
today we make baking empanadas. And in this case I use cold water. Another option is prepare fry empanadas. And in this case I recommend you use hot water for prepare the dough. Because when you fry, the process is faster and the flour is not cooked. So you start to cook the flour with the temperature to the water when prepare the dough. Hot water, fry empanadas, cold or warm water, baking empanadas.
Senior Quinn, hard at work.
back in school.
Sorry?
I think the best way to make the empanadas on is to fly Christina in.
This is
Oh, don't touch his hands.
Now you're not gonna eat any.
Ah,
But
it's ready.
for
Try it.
to
Let me
use,
see.
now it's tender. Yes.
See, you need to
pizza.
know.
But for to use, we need to put in the fridge for 2 hours approx. Minimum at home 2 hours. Because we need to knead the dough when it's quiet. We need to use quiet dough. This moment is really
to the fridge now? 2 hours.
We're not gonna eat until 2 hours.
probably it's a little less.
I'm guessing there's going to be one.
You're going to be starving.
But we need to wait.
I'm guessing there's already one.
This kind of dough
No.
is too elastic. If I want to use now, if possible. You understand?
Sí.
For example, with the time with the cooking class time, sometimes the dough is not ready. Sometimes it's better in the border, but not in the middle. Today I don't know what's happened, but at home when you feel in the middle continues soft, more time in the fridge. And then I put all together filling and dough. Well, with the recipe, if you read, I have one difference in the dough, and it's the salmuera. If you read in the process the name salmuera, is when you melt the salt in water. Here today, I am put salt and then I am put water. Or you can make separate in another bowl, salt and water, and then you put salt and water all together in the dough. The final result is the same. Remember, plain flour, you make a hole, put the beef fat, or you can use butter. Then salt and water, in this case cold water, because we make baking of bananas. When the ingredients are all together, you need to rest in the fridge 2 hours minimum at home. Today is less time. Or you can make one day before you.
Does it say here how much?
The ingredients?
Flour?
Yes.
Is the onion?
It's a half kilo, yes. For example, if you want to continue the recipe for the lard or the beef fat, is when you melt, is 1.5 cup of coffee with fat. Approx.
What's
1.5 cup of
1.5 cups of
coffee
fat.
with
If what?
of fat.
Sorry?
What'd you say about 1.5 cups of fat?
For the dough.
Okay.
If you cook with your eyes, remember, for me it's easier. Make a hole, put fat.
Okay.
But if you want to continue, strict the recipe,
Yeah.
is 1.5 cup of coffee.
Okay.
Well,
Sometimes I make big holes. So.
yes. Here I have a little less than